Today, we're bringing this forgotten classic back to life. This rusty old Ford has been sitting abandoned for years, covered in dust, rust, and damage. But by the end of this video, it will be completely transformed into a beautiful, fully restored machine. Let's begin the restoration. Before starting the restoration, we take a close look at the car. The body is covered in rust, the paint is faded, and the tires are completely worn out. The interior is damaged, and the engine hasn't run in years. But despite its condition, this classic Ford still has strong bones. That means it's the perfect candidate for a full restoration. The first step is a deep cleaning. Years of dust, mud, and grime need to be removed before any serious work can begin. Using high-pressure water and special cleaning solutions, we carefully wash the entire car. Slowly, the original shape of this classic Ford starts to reappear. Next comes one of the toughest parts of the restoration, removing rust and damaged components. Using grinders and sanding tools, we strip away the rust from the body panels. Old parts that can't be saved are removed so they can be replaced with new ones. This process takes patience, but it's essential to bring the car back to life. Now it's time to repair the body. Dents are straightened, metal panels are repaired, and damaged areas are carefully welded.